This specialized unit, set to be launched in the next 4 weeks, will be tasked with investigating and resolving high-profile and politically sensitive cases within the province.
uLesufi uthi leli thimba elikhethekile lizophenya amacala ayamaniswa nokubulawa kosombusazwe enzeka kulesifundazwe kusukela ngo-2010. Unxuse leli thimba ukuba liphenye nangezigameko zodlame nokubulala embonini yamatekisi.
We want to argue that within this political task team, issues related to taxi violence and the leadership of the taxi industry that has been killed in our province should not be excluded. We'll then have further discussions with the SAPS and all other law enforcement agencies to incorporate this.
uLesufi uthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe uthathe isinqumo sokwethula ihlandla lesibili uhlelo lokuqasha nokuthuthukisa amakhono olubizwa ngokuthi NASISPANI ukubhekana nokuntuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi entsheni.
This process was a resolution of our executive Lekgotla so that we can identify unemployed young people that are staying in our townships, in our communities, to be trained during school holidays and when our schools are not utilized, so that they can go and conclude social projects that remains unfinished.
uNdunankulu waseGauteng uzokalisa ukukhathazeka ngokwanda kwemijondolo engekho emthethweni esifundazweni. Uthi lezi ndawo zizidleke sobugebengu obuhleliwe manje bazosidiliza ukubuyiswa kulandelwa komthetho esifundazweni.